India reported 18,732 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. This is the lowest daily spike in the infection since June. Besides fresh cases, the death toll also remained below 300 for the second consecutive day. The total number of cases in the country stands at 1.47 crore. The COVID-19 recovery rate in India stands at 95.78%. In the 72nd edition of Mann Ki Baat and the last of the year 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged the citizens to get rid of single-use plastic in 2021. He added that the nation has developed Atmanirbharta during the pandemic. The Prime Minister further urged manufacturers and industry leaders to make world-class products as people have shown their support for vocal for local. After Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that the government is ready to hold talks with farmers over issues, logic and fact on farm bills, farmer unions announced the resumption of talks on December 29. Farmers Union under the banner Sanyukt Kisan Morcha held a meeting ahead of the talks with the centre. They also listed 4 points to discuss with the government on December 29. The top 2 issues for the meeting include modalities to repeal the laws and a legal guarantee for higher minimum support price. World Health Organization's chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said that the coronavirus crisis will not be the last pandemic. He added that all the steps taken to improve human health are doomed if the global community fails to tackle climate change and animal welfare. The WHO chief also condemned the dangerously short-sighted cycle of throwing cash at outbreaks but doing nothing to prepare for the next one. Tedros also urged people to learn their lessons from the pandemic. 4 people who returned from the United Kingdom to Madrid, Spain tested positive for the new COVID-19 variant. As per the government's Deputy Health Chief Antonio Zapatero, all 4 cases had recently returned from Britain. He asserted that none of the patients were seriously ill, but the mutation has caused immense harm to the patients. The authorities also confirmed that there are 3 other suspected cases of the new variant. However, the results will be out only before or after December 30. The Japanese government announced that it will ban entry to most of the foreign countries till the end of January 2021. This development comes after the country witnessed a surge in COVID-19 cases. The nation has also confirmed its first cases of the new COVID-19 variant. The government stated that all the nationals and foreigners returning from the short business trips have to undergo 14-day quarantine. Besides Japan, Germany, France and Sweden have confirmed the presence of the new COVID-19 variant. Australian coach Justin Langer stated that opening batsman David Warner is recovering from a groin injury but will not be able to return for the 3rd test against India. The Australian cricketer will have a net session at the Melbourne Cricket Ground and his progress will be closely monitored. David Warner was ruled out of the first test against India due to the groin strain. South Indian actor Rashmika Mandanna will mark a debut in Bollywood through Vikas Bahl's next directorial venture. The 24-year-old actor will be featuring alongside megastar Amitabh Bachchan. Besides the duo, veteran actor Neena Gupta will be joining them. Tentatively titled Deadly, the movie revolves around the father-daughter story. Meanwhile, Rashmika Mandanna will be paired with actor Siddharth Malhotra for another Bollywood movie, Mission Manju. The movie revolves around the story of India's most courageous mission in Pakistan in the year 1970. Archaeologists discovered an ancient food shop that was found intact with 2,000-year-old food residue in Pompeii. All these foods were stored in terracotta jars in the shop. The food includes traces of pork, snails and beef. Besides the food, the archaeologists also found human bones near the snack shop. Currently, the snack bar which was discovered in the Archaeological Park's Regio 5 site is not yet open to visitors. It had been partly exhumed in 2019.